Hello and welcome back to Mindful AI Money Hacks, where we share interesting tips and tricks for making money using AI. Today's topic is very interesting. Check out this cool kids channel. They're making a lot of money with videos that have reached 30 million views. What's surprising is that the videos have simple visuals and don't require fancy production. Social Blade reveals they're earning between $3,000 and $48,000 every month, adding up to an impressive $575,000 annually. That's pretty amazing. YouTube has lots of channels like this one that help parents teach their kids. They use fun cartoons to teach children about the world, letters, numbers, and shapes. The bright colors and fun stuff keep kids interested, giving parents some well-deserved time for themselves. If you want to start a YouTube channel, consider creating educational videos for kids. With AI tools, making similar videos can be done in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create these fun cartoons. Stay tuned until the end to watch a full example video. Step 1. We ask ChatGPT to help us make a fun video for kids. We input a detailed prompt about a forest setting, a monkey host, and his friends introducing themselves. We're excited to see what ChatGPT comes up with. It's like magic when ChatGPT quickly gives us amazing ideas, just like Aladdin making his first wish and changing everything with excitement and wonder. We eagerly await ChatGPT's input, like waiting for a genie to grant our wishes.
A prince. Back up, boy. I need some room to work. I'm about to.
Step 2. Let's make a forest picture. I suggest using Midjourney because it's great, but for this tutorial, we're using Leonardo.ai for the best results. We'll provide Leonardo with a detailed prompt, and it will work its magic to make the picture look fantastic. Additionally, Leonardo.ai has introduced a new feature called Motion, so we'll utilize this feature to make our video more interesting. Step 3. Use a text-to-speech tool like ElevenLabs to generate unique voices for each character. Paste the generated script and listen to the results. Organize the voiceovers in sections according to the script's order. Step 4. Let's create our animation using Canva. First, choose a YouTube video and add in the forest footage we made with Leonardo.ai. Trim any parts we don't need and add text. Split the title into 2 boxes, change the color, and pick a nice font. Make sure the text is the right size and choose suitable music. Now, add a new page and upload the background image. Bring in our first character, the monkey. Search for monkey and choose a lively image. Adjust its size and position and add an entrance animation. Then, create custom animations by dragging the material to design how the monkey moves. For instance, if you want the monkey to swing down from a tree, set its starting point and drag it downward. Adjust the speed and you're done. Next, import the voiceovers. Click on Uploads, choose Audio, and select the voiceovers you've uploaded. Drag the monkey's first line onto the timeline. Set the timing for the monkey's entrance and then adjust the voiceover timing slightly later. Preview it to make sure it looks right. Follow the dialogue order and add characters and voiceovers to each scene one by one. It's easy to do, and I spent about 3 minutes on each scene. If you find it tough to keep up, give this video a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel. You can watch it again if needed. Once you're finished, click Download. This step is simple and usually takes about 3 minutes for each scene. Step 5. First, bring in the animation we made earlier and put it on the timeline. Then, go to the text menu and choose Auto Captions to create subtitles. Make sure not to check Apply to All so that it's easier to adjust the subtitle positions later. Customize the subtitle color to your liking, such as white, and add a black stroke. To make the scene more interesting, use dialogue bubbles from the stickers menu, specifically the cartoon option. Put these bubbles below the subtitles, align them properly, and adjust their size and placement as needed. Now, place each line of dialogue inside the bubbles, paying attention to the position and capitalization. Repeat this process for each character's dialogue. Finally, after making all the adjustments, export the video to see the final result. Now you have a complete, polished, animated video ready for your YouTube channel. Don't forget to explore, learn, and see you next time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing with your friends. Check the description for all the prompts and resources used in this tutorial. Happy creating!
Hello, friends! Welcome to our magical forest adventure. I'm your friendly monkey host, and I'm so excited to introduce you to all my amazing friends who live here in the forest with me. Look over there! It's my friend, the wise old owl.
Vote out. Hello, young explorers. I'm Owl, the wisest bird in the forest. I love to stay up late and watch over all the creatures while they sleep. Remember, wisdom is the key to understanding our forest home.
And here comes someone with a big trunk. It's my friend, Ellie the elephant.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ellie, the friendliest elephant you'll ever meet. With my big ears, I can hear all the sounds of the forest, and with my long trunk, I can reach the juiciest leaves in the tallest trees. Let's have a stomping good time together.
Look up high in the trees. It's our playful friend, Robbie the rabbit.
Hey there, little ones. I'm Robbie, the super speedy rabbit. I love to hop around the forest, collecting delicious veggies and fruits for my snacks. If you ever need help finding something, just ask me. I know where all the tastiest treats are hidden.
Well, that's all for now, friends. I hope you enjoyed meeting my wonderful forest pals. Join us next time for more fun and adventures in our amazing forest home.